Assalamu alaikum. In previous lecture we created this HTML document. Let's create a new file. First page.html, and in this file type HTML and select this 5 and press enter. Now you can see that here is our cursor at device width. Press tab and then tab and then tab, and here you in the title type the title my first page and press the tab key. Right click on first page.html file and click reveal in Explorer. Double click this file and here is our file in the browser. My first page, the title. Right click on the document and choose view page source. And here is our complete page source that we return in Visual Studio Code. So what are these tags? What these tags do? First, this UTF-8 is just one of the encoding methods that were invented to write text in all kinds of languages. So using this UTF-8 we can write in any language. And the viewport. The viewport meta tag is an essential part of the responsive web design that may also offer some performance improvements. So these are the descriptions. And what is this XUA compatible? Internet Explorer begins interpreting markup using the latest version. When Internet Explorer encounters the XUA compatible meta tag, it starts over using the designated versions engine. This doc type HTML tells that the document is HTML5. Let's write some tags. H1 my first page, H2 starting HTML, and a paragraph. Type lorem and press enter and it will generate a random words. Let's create another heading H2 and P for paragraph. Lorem, type 10 and press enter and it generated 10 random words. Now type lorem 200 and press enter. It will generate 200 words. And here in the browser we can see that the 200 words are here under another heading. Let's see the source code, refresh it, and here is our complete source code. Let's add some tags here. Strong. Strong and bold are same. Let's check this and here it is, strong. And if we check our source, so here it is. Now let's add another tag here. EM, emphasize. And when we refresh, and here it is, emphasize tag, EM. And in the source code, here it is. Now let's add another tag here, underline U. Let's check this, and here it's emphasize and underline. Now let's add another tag here, BR for break line. Let's add two break here, and here you can see that we have two lines. So these are the basics. Practice these tags. And thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video. If you have any question, then leave it in comments section. See you in the next lecture. Take care. Bye bye.